Alright, this is the last Punnett square practice problem on page 30, Punnett square practice number 5. It says a hybrid heterozygous plant for inflated pod shape will be crossed with a plant with pinch-shaped pods. If pinched is recessive to inflated, what are the possible genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring, and what is the probability that the offspring will be pinched? So the first thing we need to do is make our key. So there's our key. Capital I is inflated and pinched is recessive. So it tells you one of the parents is a hybrid or heterozygous plant. So that means that we've got a big I, little I plant. And this is crossed with a plant that has pinch-shaped pods. Well, if pinched is recessive, the only way to show that phenotypically is to be homozygous recessive in the genotype. So we know the other parent has to be little I, little I. So when we fill in that Punnett square, we end up with a heterozygous first, and then we have a homozygous recessive, another heterozygous, and another homozygous recessive. So it asks you what the possible genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring are. And we get a 50-50 break between the pinched and the inflated because these two genotypes, the big I, little I, will show the dominant trait inflated, and these two genotypes, the homozygous recessives, will show the recessive trait pinched. So we translate that into the last part here that says genotypes of the offspring by writing 50% big I, little I, and 50% little I, little I.